Hi everyone. Um, Basically, I want to teach you how to disable an extension on Chrome. This is extensions. They make tasks easier for um, whoever that needs them for any tags. These are basically digital marketing extensions. This is religion extension. This is for digital marketing. So I want to disable this and this. So how do I disable these two extensions? Extensions are like programs. They're like applications, but they're applications for browser. Extension work for several browsers. So let's disable this and this. How do you disable? You click on these three dots here. On the drop down, you over on the extensions. Then you click on manage extensions to go to where your extensions are. So let's search for the extensions. You can search with name. This is SEO. So let's start with SEO extension. This is it. And you switch it off to disable. So I'm disabled. As you can see, we can't find it here, but you can find them here if possible. Okay, they are not here. That means only active extensions you can find here. So let's disable this one also. Um, so let's go back. This time I don't want to start. Let's scroll down to look for it. If you can't find it, then we start. This is it. Then you watch. You click here to disable. So this is how you disable an extension on a Chrome browser. You can also watch other videos on how to uninstall an extension, because if you don't really need the extensions, you can uninstall them. If you feel like there's something wrong with your Chrome browser, you can basically uninstall the extension. Maybe the problem is coming from the extension. Thank you for watching. Bye.